Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gayatri's Chemistry. Today our topic is hybridization. This is very important topic. In hybridization, there are three types of hybridization. sp3 hybridization, also known as tetrahedral, sp2 trigonal hybridization, and sp, which is known as linear hybridization. Let's begin the topic with sp3 hybridization. See, in carbon, ground state of carbon, that has 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 6 electrons. But when carbon excited, 1 electron from 2s jumps to 2pz. 1 electron from 2s jumps to 2pz. So here 4 orbitals, 1 from s orbital and 3 p orbitals. Total 4 orbitals participate in hybridization. These orbitals are called hybrid orbitals. 1s of carbon and 3p orbitals of carbon participate in hybridization called hybrid orbitals. As you all know that s is spherical in shape, while the 2px, 2py, 2pz are double dumbbell shape. This is 2px, which is double dumbbell shape along x-axis, and 2pz, 2py and 2pz. S orbital, which is spherical shape, 2px along x-axis, 2py along y-axis, 2pz between x and y-axis. These three orbitals plus s orbital means total these 4 orbitals participate in hybridization. Let's take an example. CH4 methane. For sp3 hybridization, take an example CH4 methane. Okay, see in this methane the carbon that has So see the carbon that has 4 orbitals, 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals. These 4 orbitals combine with 4 hydrogens, of 1 s orbital. 4 hydrogens that has 1 s orbital. Hydrogen has 1 electron in its orbital along with the carbon that has 4 electrons, combines with the hydrogen to form these methane molecule, CH4 methane molecule. See, and this hybridization is sp3 hybridization, though all are single bonds. In sp3 hybridization, all bonds are single bonds. And here the bond angle, how much? 109 degree 28 inches. Here the bond angle. And here the 25% of S character, while the P character is 75%. Okay, all these are single bonds. Carbon hydrogen, carbon hydrogen, carbon hydrogen, carbon hydrogen. All these are single bonds. So all are sp3 hybridization. Simple. See, in carbon 4 hybrid orbitals combine with 4 hydrogens to form CH4. This is the structure of a CH4 methane molecule, and all these bond with single bonds. Okay, those single bonds are called sigma bonds. The single bonds are called sigma bonds. Here 25% of S character, while the P character is 75%. Next hybridization is sp2 hybridization. Next is sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization, also known as trigonal. also known as trigonal. Here take an example, ethylene. Take an example, ethylene. Okay. See, I will draw the structure of ethylene. See, in sp2 hybridization, I have already told you that carbon in excited state, 2s1, 2p, x1, 2p, y1 and 2p, z1. Okay, but in sp2 only 3 orbitals, that means one s orbital of carbon and 2 p orbitals of carbon, means these 3 only participate in hybridization, while this one remains unhybrid, orbital. What happens in sp2 hybridization? One s orbital of carbon and 2 p orbitals of carbon participate in hybridization, while the 1 2pz which remains unhybrid. So what happens here? It combines with see, two carbons combines with this carbon combines with a hydrogen, but that has 1s orbital and 1s orbital. This carbon also combines with the hydrogens and 2, here see, 2px, 2py. In these 2px participated in bonding with hydrogen, and the remaining 2s participated in bonding, 2px participated in bonding, 2py, they both overlap. Here also sp2 hybridization, two bonds. In these two bonds, the first formed bond is sigma bond. Always the first formed bond is this. See, in two bonds always the first bond is a sigma bond, while the second bond is a pi bond. In this formation of bonds, always sigma bond first formed, then followed by the pi bond. So the sigma bond is first formed, then the pi bond is formed. How the pi bond is formed? By the unhybrid orbitals. I hope you clear the concept. In carbon, sp2 hybridization, 1 s orbital, 2 px, py, 1s, 2px combines with hydrogens, while the 2py overlap, and 2 pz orbitals of 2 carbon. 2 pz orbitals of 2 carbon, they form the upper bond, that is pi bond, second bond. Okay, this is sigma bond, this is pi bond, 2 carbon, CH. That is sp2 hybridization. Next, sp hybridization, also known as linear hybridization. sp hybridization. And the last one is sp linear hybridization. In this sp linear hybridization, take an example, acetylene. Here in sp hybridization only two bonds participate, only two orbitals participate in hybridization, while the 2py 2pz are in unhybrid orbitals. Only two participate in hybridization. See the carbon, two carbons, this carbon combined with 1s orbital of hydrogen, and this carbon also combined with 1s orbital of hydrogen. Both 2px orbitals overlap, while the 2py and 2pz remain unhybrid. 2py 2pz remain unhybrid. Later they form bonds. So first formed bond is sigma bond. See, in acetylene the first formed bond is sigma bond, while these two are pi bonds. Other two bonds are pi bonds. First sigma bond is formed by the overlap of 2px. Later the unhybridized 2py 2pz form two pi bonds. I hope you clear the concept. In sp3 hybridization, 4 orbitals, 3 2px, 2py, 2pz, 2s, 4 participate in hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, only 2px, 2py participate in hybridization, while the 2pz is unhybridized orbital. And in sp 2p x 2s only two participate in hybridization, while the 2py 2pz are unhybridized orbitals. Later they form two pi bonds. Okay, that is hybridization. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel.